What's up guys? It's been 5,000 miles since my last oil change on my RX8, so it's time to do an oil change. So the first thing you're going to do is locate the oil drain plug, which is right here. It is 19 millimeters. So you're just going to, oh, wait. You're going to put something under it first. Just break it there. And placement was a little bit off, but that's okay. Now we're just gonna wait for all this to drain out. The next thing to do is to remove the oil filter, which I have right there. So here's the old filter right here. And make sure to wet this seal with new oil before you put it on. Alright, the oil stopped draining, and I just fished out the oil drain plug. So I'm going to put this guy back in. The oil I use is 15W40 Castrol GTX diesel oil. It's the oil that's been used in this car since it's new from its previous owner, and he owned a lot of rotaries, so I'm going to trust that this is the best oil to use, at least for this car. I know there's a big debate on what kind of oil to use, but this is the only oil that's been run in this car since it's new, besides what it came with stock. So I'm just going to keep using this stuff. It's worked pretty well. So yeah. Okay, right now I'm gonna fill and check the oil until it's full. You should use a funnel for this, but I don't have one, so I'm just gonna try to aim it in there. Alright, that's perfect. So, put the cap on, and then we're good to go.